guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we're unboxing something today. Sorry I'm sick, but here we go. So this is a new subscription called Imperfect Foods. It used to be called Imperfect Produce, as you can see on the box. They literally just changed last week. I actually already did a video and then I got an email right after I filmed saying that they had just changed the name. So I deleted it and here I am. So basically what it is, you can have them customize your box themselves, or you have a window whenever you start and you can customize it yourself. So I only changed a couple of things this go around. So things that were in it before could be like tomatoes. I don't eat tomatoes. My husband didn't want to do avocados this time. So we wanted to try new things. Last time it was more vegetables and this time it's more fruit. So without further ado, let's open it up. Okay, so this is technically the small box. It is supposed to feed 1 to 2 people and it's roughly 7 to 9 pounds. Average cost $12 to $16. This one was actually $17 just because I added something right here. And then there's $5 shipping. You know, when you first sign up, you put in your zip code to see if they will even deliver to you before you get your hopes up. Luckily, they do deliver on my base, and so we were able to get it. This is our second box. And our first one, it came with this little pamphlet, and it's just telling you why you should choose Imperfect Produce, and then how to store certain items. And in the box, you get these 2 little pamphlets. So this first pamphlet is just showing you why you should choose Imperfect Produce, and it has 4 reasons. I'm just going to read this to you really quick. Welcome to the ugly food movement. By eating Imperfect, you're getting delicious seasonal fruits and veggies delivered. You're also joining the movement to fight food waste. The produce in this box couldn't be sold in stores because of how it looks. But together we can show the world that it's what's on the inside that counts. Thanks for eating ugly. So here are the 4 reasons. Fighting food waste. 20 billion pounds of produce go to waste on farms every single year. Saving money. Up to 30% less than grocery store prices, the produce that you got from Imperfect Produce. Eating healthy, add more fruits and veggies to your diet. And last, support farmers, reward them for their entire harvest. Our next little pamphlet is really cool because it's showing you how to store your produce. So right here, it shows you what items should go in the fridge. So you've got eggplant, celery, squash, asparagus, green beans, peppers, peas, mushrooms, artichokes, zucchini, cucumber. The list goes on. In the pantry, you've got stuff like onions, garlic, watermelon, potatoes. And then on the countertops, you've got bananas, pomegranate, tomatoes, peaches, plums, nectarines, avocados, lemons, limes, oranges, and grapefruit. Sorry, the kids are going crazy right now. Fridge tips. Refrigerator temperature should be at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Always refrigerate cut or peeled produce. Keep these separate. Fruits like apples, bananas, and pears give off ethylene gas, which will make other produce ripen and go bad faster. Store vegetables and fruits separately. Okay, so these are huge. Oh my gosh. Okay, so last time when we got the peppers, we got 3, but these are enormous. So that's why there's only 2. So this one, it looks pretty normal. This one looks a little weird, but nothing too bad. And then I'll show you some footage of me customizing this, and you can see the really cool thing is why these are called imperfect. Some are surplus, so they just made too much. Some, they have weird features. Some are too large. They have cuts or scrapes, so cosmetic issues. And so basically Imperfect Produce is just trying to give the farmers who make all this stuff all the money instead of just wasting it. Yes, a portion of Imperfect Produce, not this company, but Imperfect Produce will go to processing. Like if tomatoes are wonky, you can make tomato paste. A percentage of Imperfect Produce goes and feeds the homeless. Because I've seen a lot of people commenting on Facebook, why don't you just give this to the homeless? People have to make money, and this is a great way to help everyone. So this is helping food waste. Let's see if it has it on here. It had it on my pamphlet last time, and it looks like the kids threw it away. It's a lot, and I think it says on the website how many pounds of waste of food goes in a year. So it's just a way to help the environment. So let's just continue. So another thing I got, it looks like this is cucumber. Then we got some potatoes. We got some apples. Some pears. Oranges. An onion. Carrots? I don't remember ordering carrots, but there we are. And lastly, we got red raspberry fruit spread because Jackson really likes peanut butter and jelly. So what you do after you're done getting all your stuff out of the box is you're going to break the box down. Once you are finished with your box, you just put it on your doorstep, and the people that deliver it your next box next week, or however many weeks it is in between, they will pick up your old box and they either reuse it or they recycle it. So they're really just helping every possible way doing this kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you what $17 worth of produce looks like real quick with a bigger picture, and then we'll talk about it some more. Okay, so this is everything that came in the box. So let's count it real quick. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 carrots that are extremely large, 2 cucumbers, 3 pears, 3 potatoes, an onion, 2 huge bell peppers, 3 oranges, 3 apples, and how many ounces? 12 ounces of, I call it jam or jelly, whatever. But yeah, this was in our box. Just wanted to give you a close-up. So another cool thing about it, whenever you're customizing, it tells you where these items come from. From the top of my head, because I did this on Thursday, I don't remember where any of these came, but they tell you like straight up where it comes from. Mexico, different parts of the United States, Chile, stuff like that. So it's just really cool to figure out why it's imperfect, where it's coming from, and just it gives you a little story about them as well. Okay, so I just wanted to explain something real quick. I just looked at my email and it tells you this is what you're expecting in your box. So like we said, we got 10 huge carrots. This was 72 cents. Literally everything in this box was less than $3 per item. The most expensive thing was this. This is worth $3. So what it says, usually these are 30% cheaper than most grocery stores. I saw a lot of people talk about on Facebook that, you know, this is way more expensive than my grocery store. There are some grocery stores that are just so cheap that there's no way that this place could, you know, beat the prices. But what I did is each item that I wanted to put in my box, I went to my grocery store, which is Walmart, and I pulled up each item, and usually they sell them per pound for stuff like fruits and vegetables. And so per pound, I did side by side to see how much money I'd be saving. And if Imperfect Foods was more expensive, then I didn't get it. I went to Walmart. But if it was cheaper than Walmart, then I got it. I mean, 10 huge carrots for 72 cents, I don't think that's going to be beat unless you go to like the farmer's market. The reason that being is because you had to pay for shipping. If you spend more, I believe, than $50, don't quote me on it, but if you spend a certain amount of money, you get free shipping. I don't spend that much money in fruits and vegetables, so I don't qualify for it. But I mean, I think this is a really cool way to get a subscription box opened up, you know, once a week. Bi-weekly, that's what we're doing, is bi-weekly. You get to choose that when you're customizing everything, is do you want it once a week or do you want it, you know, twice a month? And I did it with my grocery visit. So we actually went grocery shopping today, but I picked this stuff out on Thursday. So I knew what I didn't need to get when we went to the grocery store today, which was great. It's a great way to introduce new foods. So typically I don't cook with carrots, but I've got 2 kids that I can now make this a snack with some ranch. We've got some cucumbers, so I can make, you know, a salad, or you can dip those in hummus or ranch. Kids would like the apples with some peanut butter. I planned this on purpose. So I got the potatoes to make potato soup. So I'm really excited about that. We always get onions and peppers at every grocery visit. This was only 75 cents. And it's huge. It's very large. Can't remember how much the peppers were. I think they were less than $1 for the pound, which is great. And then, you know, everything else. So this was really great. This was a little bit better than my last box, and I customized my last box like to the T. Except for I didn't use some of the things because I forgot. But I just wanted to come on here and tell you about Imperfect Foods. I do have my referral code down below right here. I also have it in the description box if you just missed it. So basically what that is going to do is going to give you $10 off your first box, which is great because, like I said, this box was $17. So if your box was $17, it means you're only paying $7. This isn't a gimmick. This isn't a lie. When I signed up for Imperfect Foods, I used someone's referral code and my box was $16, but I checked my bank account and it was actually only $6 because I used that referral code. So if you use my referral code down below, you will 100% get $10 off your first box, your first. So I just wanted to hop on here. Sorry you could barely hear me. I'm gonna wash these up, put them into the fridge, the pantry, whatever I need to do with these items, and then we will be ordering them the next time go around, which will be in 2 weeks. So I'm super excited. So like I said, just hop on to imperfectproduce.com, check and see if they deliver in your area code. If they do, that's awesome. And you know, you're helping farmers get paid what they need to get paid. You're helping the environment. You're helping food stop going to waste. And another really cool thing is, after you're done, it tells you how many pounds you have saved from going to waste, which is really cool. I think it actually tracks your entire purchase, and it will just continue saying, hey, you've saved 20 pounds worth of waste. So it just makes you feel good. So wanted to hop on here and tell you guys about this today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.